在6分钟我们就到家了。在到家之前，我们要把你们关成黑色的荧幕，不然就会看到住了。Before we arrive home, I need to put you guys to the block screen. But not yet though, still far. Later, I will put you guys to block screen little bit, like maybe 2 minutes. Then you guys need to hang on, okay? Because we cannot leak where we live. Josephine got too much cloud. Everyone want to snipe Josephine. I don't have a cloud, but for protect Josephine, we need to do that. What screen? Block screen, yes. It's just a color. The heck? Okay. Try web. Oh my god, so tired. Okay, we turn this side. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Habibi. Superman. Super good. Going home. I'm doing well. 等等会煮菜给我看吗？会啊，等一下会一起煮菜哦。So later we will cooking, guys. Don't worry. After we go home, we unbox our computer first, and we test our computer, then we cook. 等到我们回家，我们先拆我们的包裹，拆完之后来煮饭。Okay. Fuck Josephine, smiley face. Yeah. So later we will do the unbox stream. After unbox stream, we cook. Okay, guys. I need to put you guys in the block screen a little bit. Okay? Are you guys ready? We teleport. Okay? 3, 2, 1, walk. Okay. Okay, Chad. Now we block. Are you guys still there? If you guys are not there, I won't cook later. Oh, I see the kawaii dog. You guys still there? Are you guys there? We are teleporting. Why you guys are so like... You guys don't exciting? Okay, you don't feel exciting. Okay. You guys don't feel excited. I feel sad. Oh shit. Oh shit, we teleport. I just hit because I'm too quick. I just hit something. Oh my god. I'm like out of world. I just hit something. Oh shit. Oh, steak and wine tonight. Yeah. Let's go up. Let's go up. Let's teleport upstairs. Okay, come back. Okay, we need to open our door. Give me 1 second. Open the door. We are almost home. We are almost home, guys. Almost home. Okay. We're back. We're back, guys. Let me put you guys in a wide angle really quick. We're back. We lock the door first. 聊天是黑压压，对呀，因为我们到家了。We back. Oh. Okay. Shit. Wow. Let's turn on the lights. Welcome back. Welcome to the hood. Okay, I put you guys here, huh? Later we will do the unbox stream first. Then we cook, okay? Okay? How about that? Unbox and cook? Sounds great, huh? Unbox and cook. And the first thing we need to do is let Habibi take off my mask, okay? Oh my god, so tired. You guys are so heavy. I'm serious. You guys need to do more workout. You guys so heavy. Oh shit. Why you guys heavy as fuck? I'm like, oh my god, cannot breathe right now. Hello. Knuckles02, what up, girl? Let me wash my hands. Wash the hands first. Wash the hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands here.